Good morning, friends. Let us do one more problem. This again is some SBI PO prelims problem. This problem is about just arrangement or mapping of persons and countries. Let's get into this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. There are 8 persons who all belong to different countries P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. 8 persons and 8 countries. We don't know which person belongs to which country. Right, that is what we have to do. Right, so first what we will do this problem is actually an easy problem. What we will do first, we'll write all the persons and all the countries. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. We don't know who maps to whom, right? And now let's write all the names P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Who maps to whom we don't know. Let's go by conditions one by one. A does not belong to countries P and U, right? So what we will do, does not belong, I will mark it with a different color. Okay. A does not belong to P and Q, right? So A does not belong to P and Q. So here PQ will not come. PQ will not come. Similarly, for P, A will not come. For Q also, A will not come. Right. Second, that is the second criteria, second condition. D does not belong to A does not belong. So there are actually a lot of grammar mistakes in the questions that I am picking. A does not belong. B does not belong. All these are does not belong. This is the correct English. A belongs to country B. When does not, it will become belong. If there is no does not, then it will become belongs. Right. I picked up from various books. There are a lot of mistakes in these books. Right, doesn't matter. Now, D does not belong to country P and Q. D does not belong to country P and Q. So in D, P and Q cannot happen. Similarly, in P also D will not happen. Q also D will not happen. Right? Then C belongs to T. C belongs to T. Very good. So that means C and T we can eliminate. C belongs to T. That means C and T we will eliminate. We don't need to map. Right. Simultaneously, C belongs to T. C we have eliminated. Very good. That is number 4. That means A, B, D, A, B, D, E, F, G, H. None of them they can be T. Right? Because T is already eliminated. Similarly, PQ, RS, UVW, UVW, none of them can be C because C and T are already eliminated. That mapping is already finished. Neither D, B, and G belong to S. So S will not come here. S will not come here. D, B, and G. S will not come here. Right. Similarly, D, B, and G will not come here. Right. That is condition number 5. 6. F does not belong to country R and Q. F does not belong to R and Q. That means R also will not, F will not come. Q also, F will not come. Right. That is condition number 6. Condition number 7 is neither G nor B belongs to P and V. Neither G nor B. Not B. Right. Condition number 7. G, P will not come. V will not come. Similarly, B also, P will not come. V will not come. Right. Similarly, neither G nor B belongs to P and V. Similarly, P, B will not come. G will not come. V also, B will not come. G will not come. Right. That was condition number 7. H belongs to U. H belongs to U. So H is maps to U. So we can eliminate H also, U also. We don't need to worry about these two now. H belongs to U. A does not belong to country V. A does not belong to country V. That means V also A is not possible. Right. F does not belong to country P. FP is not possible. In P, F is also not possible. B and D does not belong to R and B. B, R will not come. V anyway earlier also we had discussed. V will not come. D also, R and V will not come. Similarly for R also, B will not come. D will not come. V also, B is already there. D will not come. Right. Right. Now if you look at this, whatever all the conditions that were there, we have mapped all the conditions. All the conditions, and in these conditions, condition number 8 eliminated H and U. Condition number 4 eliminated C and T. 8 has led to this one. Right. So obviously, so none of these are what? These are persons. These are persons. These are countries. Right. So now in these countries P, Q, R, S, V, W, none of them will have C and H because C and H are already gone to T and V. Now let's look at P. Anyway, A, D, B, G, F. Anyway, we cannot do. Right. There are already 5 persons who cannot fit in P. Now 2 persons have already gone out, C and H. Right. C and H also cannot sit here. Right. Now just observe. There are 7 persons who will not fit P. There are total 8 persons. Right. Who are those 7 persons? A, B, C, D, E is missing, F, G, H. Right. That means P can accommodate only E. Right. Because there are 7 persons who cannot fit P. So the only who is the only remaining person? That is E. So P and E can be directly mapped. P, E, in fact, I'll write it like this. Persons on the left side and countries on the right side. P and E will map. So we can eliminate E also. We can eliminate P also. Right. Now let's look at any other big one. Let's try to look at this D. D already, how many ones? P, Q, R, S, V are gone. Right. And here T and U are already gone. T and U anyway we cannot take. Right. Here also now 7 countries are not possible. Right. P, Q, R, S, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. That means what is left? Only W is left. Right. See, here also seven countries are already gone. P, Q, R, S, V. Earlier only we had decided. And then T and U, anyway they are already mapped. So 7 are already gone. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Only W is left. So D maps to W. So we can eliminate D also. And we can eliminate W also. Right? What is left? What is left? A is left. B is left. F is left. G is left. Right? Okay. Now let's look at the remaining A, B, F, G, Q, R, S, V. Now look at this. Look at this V. A, B, G are not possible for this V. Right. A, B, G are not possible. So what is left? Only F is left. Right. So that means F will go to V. Right. We can eliminate F and V also. F will go to V only. Right. Now what? F will go to V. Then let's look at this S. Yes, G is not possible, B is not possible. So G is not possible, B is not possible. So S has to go with A only. So A and S. You can eliminate S also. You can eliminate A also. Now B, R will not go with B. Right. So B has to go with Q. And remaining G has to go with R. B has to go with Q. G has to go with R. So that is the overall mapping. What is our final mapping? C, T, H, U, E, P, D, W, F, V, A, S, B, Q, G, R. This is our final mapping. See, this is an easy problem. Whatever conditions that we are given, we just wrote all the conditions and then eliminated the one where we had got seven. First, we were able to eliminate for P because P seven conditions have already come. Seven different people were anyway invalid. So each one we had finished, right? So in the given conditions, according to 4 and 8, we are able to map C, T and HU. After that, we are able to map for P. Then we are able to map between D and W. So we have to go in this way. First we have to write whatever the information is given in this format, and then it becomes very easy for us to eliminate the other ones. Right? Which of the following combinations is incorrect? Which is incorrect? BQ. BQ is right. Right. BQ is right only. FV. FV is right. This is also right. DW. This is also right. A and let's see. Let's see. AP. AP is wrong, right? AP, it is not AP. It has to be AS or EP, right? AS or EP. It has to be AS or EP. So the answer D is wrong. Next one. Who among the following belongs to country Q? Who is that? It is B. Right. Country Q is actually B. G belongs to which of the following? G belongs to R. R is not given, so none. Among the following persons belong to country W. W is actually D. See, this is an easy problem. We just need to write all the given information in one relevant format. Then it becomes very easy for you, for us. Right? We should not lose marks in these kind of easy problems. Sure, guys. Thank you. All the best.